In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Black Player EX app on Android. To start, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon that resembles a shopping bag with a play button over it. This is the official app store for Android devices, where you can find a vast array of applications and games. It is essential to use the Google Play Store for downloading apps, as this ensures you are getting legitimate and safe software. Once you have the app opened, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that showcases various apps. This is the first step in getting your music player ready. Next, search for Black Player EX. At the top of the screen, you will find a search bar. Tap on it to bring up your keyboard, then type in Black Player EX and hit search. As you type, you might see suggestions popping up below. This app is known for its sleek design and powerful features, making it a favorite among music lovers. The search results will display a list of applications. Look closely to find the one that matches the name you entered. This step is crucial because it narrows down the options to find exactly what you want. From there, select Black Player EX by Fifth Source. You will see the app icon, which is a simple yet attractive design. Tapping on it will take you to the app's page where you can see more details about it. Here you will find a description, user reviews, and screenshots that showcase the app's interface. This information helps you to confirm you are selecting the correct app. You can also see the price listed for the premium version. It's important to make sure you have selected the right developer to avoid downloading a similar app. After that, purchase the app if prompted. If you have not purchased this app yet, you will see a prompt that indicates the cost. Black Player EX is a paid app, so you will need to confirm your payment method. If you are using Google Play for the first time, it may ask you to set up a payment method. This step is important because it secures your transaction and ensures a smooth purchase. Once you have completed this step, you can proceed to enjoy the app. Now tap Install. After confirming your purchase, you will see an installation progress bar indicating that the app is being downloaded. The installation process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. You will see a notification when the app is successfully installed. This step is significant because it prepares the app for use on your device. Keep an eye on the progress bar, and once it's complete, you are almost ready to start playing your music. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action will launch the Black Player EX app for the first time. You may be greeted with a welcome screen that provides a brief overview of the features available. It's exciting to see everything set up and ready for you to use. The app's interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, ensuring you can navigate it with ease. With just one tap, you are now entering a world of music management and playback. Finally, grant permission for the app to access your music files so it can scan your library. You will receive a prompt asking for permission to access your device's storage. This is essential for the app to locate all your music files and create a seamless listening experience. Tapping Allow ensures that Black Player EX can provide you with the best service possible. After this step, you will be all set to enjoy your favorite tunes with the powerful features of Black Player EX.